In this demo, we will showcase the procurement, management and processing of government contracts. The scenario for this demo is a plan to install mobile tablets in an airport terminal. A purchasing specialist, Dave Adams, will create a request for proposal document in order to receive bids from outside contractors. One of the government rules requires that the business community is notified of this project, as it has a budget of over $100,000. After a contractor has been awarded the contract, one of the other contractors files a protest. Eventually, a contract is signed and automatically the contract document is being declared as a record. Dave, a purchasing specialist, signs into the project procurement workspace to file a new project proposal that he has received from a project sponsor. This action of adding a project proposal document causes a new project procurement case to be created and be populated with the information that Dave is going to provide. The system assigns the right document class and access rights to this document and shows Dave the properties that he needs to fill in. The value of this project is over $100,000 and a business rule will determine that the business community needs to be invited to bid on this project. Let's now switch to Dave's work in basket to see the first work item for this new case appear. Dave's work screen is designed for the task that Dave needs to work on. The folder structure on the right side of the screen contains all documentation that Dave needs to make the right decisions, and on the right bottom side of the screen some related cases are accessible. Most of the case data is normally pulled in from various data sources, but sometimes Dave needs to specify a few details himself, often again from choice lists that are populated from external data sources. Dave will now create an RFP which will become part of this project procurement case. He uses a text editor with a plugin allowing him to add the document to the content repository and specify that he is the document owner and in which procurement case this document needs to be filed. Now that the document is saved, a simple background task will file it into the procurement case that Dave is working on. Dave can now submit the RFP. A business rule will now initiate a task that notifies the business community of this new project. Let's move forward in time now and assume that 2 contractors have bid on this project. We will find 2 bids here and also 2 bid bonds that are associated with those bids. Dave will now display the 2 bids side by side in the viewer so that it is easy to compare the 2 bids. Various annotation capabilities allow Dave to highlight the total cost and to indicate that he believes that the slightly more expensive bid is the preferred choice. The team uses content analytics and enterprise search capabilities to investigate if these 2 contractors have met deadlines in past projects. The expert search allows mandatory and optional fields, and the user can drill down using navigational style search. And in this case, the team is specifically interested in project review documents. The team has found in one project review document that the party who submitted the lowest cost bid did not meet deadlines in past projects, and there is a recommendation to no longer do business with this party. In the meantime, the contract manager is planning the negotiations between the selected contractor and the project sponsor. By clicking on the green button next to the name of the creator of a document or folder, she can reach out to her colleague using instant messaging. She can also create a new custom task on the fly, while the case is already in progress. Such task can consist of multiple steps and decisions, and steps can be assigned to any role or user. The team informed the parties of the decision made, and one of the parties files a bid protest. As a result, a new bid protest resolution task is launched, and the other tasks are put on hold. The protesting party believes that they should have been awarded the contract, being the lowest price bidder. There is sufficient evidence that the protesting party has not met deadlines in the past, and the dispute resolution specialist will respond to the protesting party and inform all other parties of this decision. After an agreement has been reached with the preferred contractor, the contract document is uploaded and automatically declared as a record in the record management system. As a result, the contract document is locked down and protected from unauthorized access. As part of the case manager, Case Visualizer has recorded all case activity, including the on-the-fly custom task that we created. Horizontally, we have a timeline with an overview of all activity. We can zoom in into a specific time zone and find the documents that are being added and case properties being updated. We can also look at the activity that happened during the execution of one specific case task. And that completes this demo. In this video, you have seen how you can use IBM's ECM solutions to streamline and simplify a project procurement process. Thank you for watching this video.